Welcome to FriendKonnect. This is the latest feature to help you easily market to prospects. You will notice right here, you simply go on your main dashboard. You'll see your FriendKonnect option, and you can choose to send to Gmail or Outlook. After you have done this, it will actually tell you how many people you have contacted. So the second step, once you click on one of those options, it will bring up your accounts. You simply select either, both, whatever you have available. Then you will click the Allow button. This allows us to connect. Then you will go here and you will select All. You'll see that it gives all the check marks. And then simply go here and click here to send invite. And then it's going to send an invitation that looks like this and includes your personal link to all the people on that list, making it super simple for you to get your and grow your network.